Arrow's T601 6-in-1 multi-use tacker combines all of Arrow's best tools into one handy tacker. The T601 is pro-grade, but easy to use for DIY projects around the home. Capable of firing 6 fastener types, the T601 is the perfect tool for a multitude of projects. The T601 features a heavy-duty die-cast aluminum body, comfortable rubber grip, and convenient bottom load magazine. This tool includes a power adjustment switch to accommodate for stapling into harder and softer surfaces, a staple viewing window to let you know when you need to reload, a grooved wire guide to protect wires while stapling, and a belt clip so your tool stays with you on the job. The T601 works with all sizes of the following types of staples and nails: heavy-duty T50 staples, light-duty JT21 staples and T13 light-duty staples, low-voltage wiring T25 round crown staples, 18-gauge brad nails, and 18-gauge pin nails. The T601 has a convenient switch in the front so you can choose your fastener type. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. Be sure to tag Arrow Fastener on social media. We would love to see the projects you're working on.